Even that right-wing prick Reed can't dig up any dirt on him.
Yeah, could just be a random act of violence, an emotionally unstable guy acting on impulse.
It's possible, but keep digging into this Jordan Reed angle. He said there was some rumors swirling, so let's find out what they were.
Love her, and who can forget her body-inclusive Emmy acceptance speech or the many roles that make her a star. Camryn Manheim has returned to one of her first gigs, Law & Order, in a lead role, and we caught up with her earlier. Check it out.
Camryn, hello, 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 hello. I wanted to say first up about your name, Camryn. You weren't always a Camryn. So how did you come up with that name as an actor? I'm fascinated in names.
You know, that's true. Hello, and it's so great to see you, and thank you for having me on.
Of course.
I was born Deborah. I can't even believe I'm saying this in public. I hated that name so much as I grew up. I'm sorry to all you Deborahs, Deborahs out there. It was not my name. And I just wanted like a powerful guy's name, you know? So I thought I was going to be Sydney, Sam, or Camryn. And then I traveled around Europe with my sister. She called me a different name in every country. And Camryn was the winner. And then I decided to spell it differently because that's who I am. I just like to screw all the rules and make all of them up myself. You know?
Why? Because I can. Camryn with a Y. I love it.
What I love about my name now is that people write me and tell me that they've named their kids Camryn and spelled it my way. So that makes me really happy.
Look at that.
All right, now you received an Emmy for Best Supporting Actress for The Practice, of course. Was there a moment when you thought to yourself, could I win an Emmy for this? Because it's weird. Was there a moment, or
did you know?
Did it just happen and you were just like, this is crazy?
Right.
Oh, no. I did not know. I was really very much the underdog. I was new to television. Nobody knew who I was. There were huge people running against me who deserved that Emmy. And so, I mean, I wrote a speech because I remember always saying, oh my God, they have a minute to say something. And they didn't think about it because they're superstitious. That's so stupid. I'm like, my writing a speech in my, bedroom isn't going to stop the voters from voting for me. So I decided to just write a speech. And I remember with my hair and makeup team, I said, is it going to be stupid if I thank all the fat girls? Will it be a Sally Field moment? Like, you like me, you really like me, and then go down as just a terrible, moment. They're like, and they looked at me like, maybe that would be stupid. But I decided to do it anyway. That was spur of the moment.
Yes.
The whole thing was spur of the moment. It was crazy. It was incredible.
You appeared on 3 different episodes of Law & Order before landing a lead role in the reboot. Out of those 3, I got shot in the boob once on CSI Miami, so I know I'm pretty much just like you, just like an extra, a person on that scene. Yeah, exactly. Do you have a favorite of those 3 walk-on roles?
Oh my gosh, yes. It was a really interesting role. I played a foster mother who really kind of had a foster kid for the check not because she cared.
I mean, who hasn't?
It was really dark. And
Sorry.
And so she, the kid's gone missing and she didn't even know.
Wow.
But I remember I got to smoke in the show. Like, nobody does that anymore. I thought that was the coolest thing. The shot starts with me lighting a match and bringing it up to the cigarette. And I'm like, this is the coolest thing I've ever done.
Yeah, you're Marlon Brando.
They didn't let us smoke in college.
Yeah, right on. Good for you. So you are the envy of a lot of people because I hear you are friends with Marisha Hargitay, which everybody wants to be. So tell us about that friendship. What's it like?
I met Marisha years ago, 20 years ago, through mutual friends, Maria Bello, Jolie Fisher. We'd end up at events together, and her Joyful Heart organization, I was always very, supportive of. But then I hadn't seen her in a while, and she called me as I was flying into New York. She went, girl, you're in the Dick Wolf universe. And I go, I know, Mariska, I have so many questions. She said, come on over. And I came over. She goes, I'm going to come over for dinner. And I'm like, I had huge expectations of this dinner because, she's Marisha. I thought for sure it would be catered and the whole thing. And I get there and she's like, do you want a cheeseburger or do you want a vegan burger? I went to Shake Shack. And I'm like, oh, she is a woman after my own heart.
I love it.
That's so funny.
Yeah.
Is there any chance you guys will be in each other's shows at all?
Well, I mean, if I told you, they'd kill me. And, so I can't, no.
right.
I don't know. There's always crossovers, and I will just say this. Stay tuned.
Yes, Camryn.
I love it.
What a good tease. Thank you so much for joining us, Camryn. Or should I say never, Deborah. DBL Nation, catch Law & Order Thursday nights on NBC. You rock my world. I will raise hell because of you. We'll be right back. Thanks a lot, love.